All is not well with our planet.
Scientists warn that heat waves have become more frequent, more intense.
Now crossing is not well with our
The heat waves becoming more intense and longer lasting wildfires, climate change.
I fucked up.
Okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay.
Stop saying it's okay. Because it's not. It's really not okay.
Okay, right.
God, I'm such an idiot.
Do you wanna tell me what you've done?
Such a stupid idiot.
Look, I'm sure whatever it is...
I've been putting the recycling in the wrong bins.
Okay. I mean... Right. That's,
Unforgivable. Absolutely unfucking forgivable.
Well, everyone makes mistakes. Look, maybe you were tired, not thinking clearly. It is forgivable.
I did it more than once.
Right. Well, I forgive you.
But it's not just that one thing though. I'm all over the place. It started with not washing out a yoghurt pot and then it just spiralled. Before I knew it, I'm putting crisp packets in landfill, scrunching up the cooking foil so they won't know it's not clean, and I just can't even bring myself to tell you about the Tetra Pak cartons.
Well, maybe...
I think I might be doing it deliberately, you know? Like subconsciously or something. Like some kind of defiance. And you know, it kind of makes me feel bad. Like bad in a good way? Like a thrill. A thrill that I'm breaking the rules, being naughty or something. And then I just feel terrible. Awful. I just feel really bad. In an actual bad way, you know?
I think...
And then I don't care. I don't. I can't care. I just don't have the strength to care about it anymore. I can't because I can't care because it's just too much. It's too much to care about. It's just overwhelming. And I'm gonna have to care about someone else soon because I'm pregnant and I'm pregnant. Can you say something? Please.
That's great.
Is it?
Yeah, that's... great. It's brilliant. Well, not the dirty cooking foil and yogurt pots. That's fucking awful. But a baby is really good, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's really good. It's bloody brilliant. We're going to have a baby.
But all the stuff you said about how irresponsible it would be with the planet in such a state.
Doesn't matter.
But you said it's irresponsible to bring a new human into this world.
I know what I said. Obviously we need to prepare.
Like how much carbon she will produce?
It?
Well, we should work that out, shouldn't we? Calculate it.
Doesn't matter.
But we need to know the consequences
We
of our
don't.
actions. We do.
Stop. Just breathe. Slow down.
Okay.
Small steps. One breath at a time.
Okay.
You are going to be a great mom.
Okay.